What's up, everybody? Welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be opening another MCM bag, you guys. And I think like this is so crazy because like a year ago today, I bought my first MCM bag, y'all, and I was ecstatic. Okay, but this time I bought a bag and you know, some accessories to go with it. So you know what I'm saying? Let's just go ahead and get into the video.
Come catch a glimpse, you'll see how we do it. Yeah, you see how we do it. Come catch a glimpse, you will see how we do it.
My swag on stupid, I stay on dumb. Yeah. Everybody got the thank you card, and it just pretty much has everything that I purchased and return labels and stuff like that. They gave me a sample fragrance because I spent over a certain amount, which is cool. What does it smell like? Let me spray a little. Oh! Oh! Man, we might have to go buy the big one, okay? Yeah. That smells good. Oh, this box is so cute. Okay, let's open the box, y'all. Okay, got a little cards. Oh, and it comes wrapped up. Y'all can see it. It's wrapped up. Ah, I love it. See, this is the wallet, y'all, and it's so cute. Yeah, this is definitely the new go-to wallet. I'm not about to play. We about to go ahead and replace the old one, and we about to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So let me put this on the side right there. Then I decided to open the accessories first because I feel like I'm gonna spend a lot of time drooling over the bag. So let's open the accessories first. I also got a keychain, you guys, because with the bag that I got, it has like a little place for a little keychain, and I just felt like my bag would just look so naked without this. Have the keychain out. Let's close this box. Oh. You guys, I'm super hyped because like when you work hard for your money, you know what I'm saying, and you go spend your money on something like you feel like you genuinely deserve, like it's just a good feeling. Like last year when I bought my first MCM bag, I thought I was gonna regret it afterwards. I'm like, man, like I just really spent like $6 something on this bag, like, you know, but haven't regretted it. Been rocking it, been loving it to the point where I'm ready to collect them. So here we are, bag number 2. And I realized that I love the OG colors. Like I love just OG colors. Like I'm not like I like the colorful bags, but I feel like when I buy bags, I'm going to start with the OG colors, and then I'll get like, you know what I'm saying? Then I'll start with pinks and reds and just switch it up a little bit. But, okay, let's turn it around this way. It says, do not remove tag until you are sure you are happy with your purchase. Ah! Why would nobody be happy with this purchase? Like, come on. Come on. Why would... Oh my gosh. Ah, and it has a zipper in the inside. Let's go. Okay, it has some air in there. You guys, let's get into the inside. Look at that. See, my other bag I got is the reversible shopper, so like I could, you know, wear it inside out. But this one, I can't do that with. I'm gonna hook it to right here. Boom! And that goes right there. It's too cute. It's too perfect. Yeah. Okay, so that's how that looks. So we got this on there. Now I'm gonna put my wallet in the inside. Oh. You guys, I love her. Like, this time around, now that I've got my second MCM bag, like, I'm a little more like calm. But my first MCM bag, you guys, I was overly excited. Simply because it was my first, like, I can't say first designer bag because I've had a Michael Kors bag before I had that one. But I don't know if that counts. Does that count? Does Michael Kors count? Yeah, it should. But this is my first, like, I guess, like, expensive purchase. Like, I call this expensive. And I know, you know, Louis Vuitton and stuff like that, like, is way more expensive. YSL. Those type of bags are more expensive. But I really do like the MCM bags. I like this one a lot, honestly, because it has the zipper. I love the zip pocket on it. Like, I love the zipper. I love it. Ah! Like, I'm literally in love. Like, I'm basking in joy. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love my bag for sure, for sure. If you guys did enjoy today's video, definitely hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. And until next time, bye!